Alpha Brief. Here's what's moving markets. Bitcoin is charging toward $120,000 while the Nasdaq keeps printing all-time highs. And somehow, American consumers have never felt worse. Here's what matters. First, the Wall Street-Main Street divide is getting extreme. Bitcoin and the Nasdaq are surging on momentum and risk appetite, but consumer sentiment just hit historic lows. That gap between asset prices and how people actually feel about the economy is the widest it's been in years. Something eventually has to give. Second, AI is the engine keeping this rally alive. Ed Yardeni says AI-driven earnings growth is making global markets shockingly resilient, even with oil spiking and geopolitical chaos escalating. Citi's strategists agree. They see U.S. tech outperformance continuing, led by the same mega-cap names that have dominated all year. Third, the Iran situation is heating up. Trump rejected Iran's ceasefire response. Oil jumped 4%, and Deutsche Bank warns that as long as the Strait of Hormuz stays threatened, energy markets remain on a knife edge. That feeds directly into this week's inflation data, which could shift the entire rate outlook. So the big question: Bitcoin ripping, Nasdaq at records, consumers in despair. Which signal are you trusting, the price action or the people? Drop it below. Stay sharp. This is Alpha Brief.